Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about parts of speech, second part. So the next one is adverb, a word used to modify verb, adjective or another adverb, or a word used to explain how, where, when and why an action is performed is known as adverb. Example, they lived happily. Padma is very beautiful. She speaks English quite well. So, by coming to the meaning of this, adverb which used to modify verb or adjective, or it can modify another adverb. So, this is a word like, coming to the examples, they lived happily. They lived is the verb here. How they lived? Happily. So, happily is called as adverb. Next one, preposition, a word used to explain the relation between grammatical words, or a word used with a noun or pronoun to show the relation between two grammatical words is in sentence is known as preposition. I am fond of Madhavi. They boasted about their wealth. She is angry with me. So preposition is a word which used between two grammatical words in a sentence is known as preposition. Examples of preposition are in, for, to and out of are all the prepositions. So by coming to the explanation, a word or phrase that is used before a noun or a pronoun to show place, time, direction, etc. is called as preposition. I am fond of Madhavi. Of. They boasted about their wealth. About. She is angry with me. With. There are some prepositions. Let me say somewhat more examples of prepositions. With, at, from, into, during, including, until, against, among, throughout, of, to, in, for, on, by, despite, towards, upon are some of the examples of prepositions. So let's see in the next page. Conjunction, a word used to combine two words or sentences is known as conjunction. Example, I visited Agra and Delhi last year. She will come today or tomorrow. He tried hard but he failed in his attempt. So conjunction is a word which used to combine two words. I visited Agra and Delhi last year. She visited Agra, Delhi, both of the places. And here and is the conjunction which used to join Agra and Delhi. She will come today or tomorrow. The sentence is like she will come today, maybe tomorrow. Here or is the conjunction because it used to describe both today and tomorrow. Coming to interjection, a word which expresses some sudden feelings is known as interjection. Alas, superb, ayu, oh, well done, fantastic, marvelous, splendid, well said, excellent are some of the interjections. Interjection is a word which used to express some feelings, sudden feelings like sad, happy, exclaimed, and some of the feelings which we can express in the form of interjections. Suppose, alas, I forgot it at my home. Superb, she did it. Oh, I want to take it tomorrow are some of the examples of interjection. So guys, if you like my class about this, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment what you want next to see. Either it is a class or slime. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.